Can a creditor discover the type of bankruptcy that someone has filed? Attorney Koehler says, I don't believe that it does to the creditors. There is a stigma against bankruptcy in general and against Chapter 7 bankruptcy specifically. Part of the reason for that, at least, is that the creditors don't want you to file Chapter 7 bankruptcy because it's going to put them in a worse position. They prefer that you file a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, especially unsecured creditors, because that gives them a better chance to get some payment back. Because of that, there is misleading information floating around that judges, trustees, and creditors are going to like it more if you file a Chapter 13. If a person that's considering you for a loan is looking really closely at your history and they see that you filed the Chapter 13 instead of a Chapter 7, it's possible that it might paint you in a little better light. But in practicality, I don't think it makes any difference at all, and I don't think it impacts the scores differently other than the amount of time that it stays on your credit report. I don't think that there is anything really concrete that's going to make a difference between you filing Chapter 7 or a Chapter 13. I also don't believe that it shows up on the credit report itself. It'll show that you filed the bankruptcy. If they look and they can check, they can see that it was a Chapter 13 or it was a Chapter 7, but it doesn't really say that on the report. For a free phone consultation, contact Attorney Koehler in Salt Lake City, Utah at 801-441-2013 or visit his website at www.saltlakeduidefense.com.